Ronnie Petito with Petito's Performance Training Center, and today I want to talk about Diastasis Recti. If nobody's familiar with this, well, then you probably haven't been pregnant before. It happens with a lot of pregnant females. I think it's at least half of them. It happens to a lot of them. And what happens is their abs separate from the linea alba, which is the middle line of your abdomen going straight down. So they separate from that, mainly at the bottom. And it's hard to get back into the gym if you can't activate your core muscles the correct way. When your abs are separated from the middle of, from the linea alba, you cannot contract them, and they'll just continue to separate if you do decide to contract them. So you don't really have any strength there. It's all weak. And it's really hard to lose the weight you want to lose after having a baby if you can't get these core muscles back together. So I'm going to give a couple exercises, but I give a lot of different ones to my females in here because I've had plenty of moms that have come in, recent moms that their baby's only 6-8 months old, and they're coming in and we've been going over these exercises, and we haven't done everything, but there are some exercises that I've done with them that you guys won't see today. But these are very basic exercises just to show you how to activate your deep core muscles, because that's what we need to focus on in order to make this work. In order to bring our abs back together, we have to activate our deep core muscles inward in order to repair the diastasis recti. So the first thing we do, we don't want to get into a plank or a regular plank, I should say. We don't want to get into a regular plank or do any regular abs like V-ups or anything that are going to contract and push out those core muscles. So first things first, what we're going to do is get your mats, get lying side position, and you want to relax. You want to be very gentle. We're going to reach under this position, right under the pelvic area. You got your pelvic bone, and you'll find right under that is basically where your deep core muscles is, where we're focusing on. We want to draw those slightly inward, gently, and hold. Okay, so I'm going to... Now you'll start to feel your abs gently tensing up. Okay, your core gently tensing up. That's the deep core muscles I'm talking about. That's what we're looking to do. That's how we start the repair of the diastasis recti. Okay, so you're just going to sit here and hold it. Once again, very gentle. Keep your breathing nice and fluid. Breathe. Relax. Draw the deep core muscles inward. Okay. Now, once you feel you've got the core muscles activated, I want you to lay on your back. And I want you to do that on both sides. Hold for a brief amount of time, 30 seconds to start. And then just maybe slowly start to increase as you go, all right? As you get used to this week to week. So I got my mat here. Now what I'm gonna do is put my feet here, and I'm gonna use both hands under that pelvis region, okay? And once again, I'm gonna find those deep core muscles before I do any other activity, and I'm gonna sink in. Just relax, gentle, pull the core inward. Remember, we're focusing on repair here. We're not doing some sort of ab where we're trying to burn our abs out. We're trying to maintain good core activation through these exercises so we can repair something that's happened to us by a baby being inside us and actually physically pushing our abs apart, So we want to really, really focus on drawing that core inward. Okay. Get back into position here. Now what we're going to do is called a bent knee fallout. And a bent knee fallout, one leg, I'll do my left leg here, is going to come out to the side. And this leg's going to stay the same as if you were trying to hold a cup of water on your knee. Okay. So once again, first things first, always got to start with the deep core activation. Really pull that core inward. And then we're going to slowly let this leg go out to the side. Keeping the core activated and tight the whole time, like we've been talking about. Slowly gonna go out. Now, you're only gonna be able to go out so far. What's gonna start happening is your hips will want to start falling and rolling towards the side your leg's going to. Like right now, my right leg wants to go towards that, so we don't want to go towards that side. That's how you know you should be coming back up. So keep this leg straight. When this leg goes far enough out to where we want to rotate, now we're going to slowly, gently bring it back in. And then out. Now, as you can see, it's a very gentle, very slow, controlled movement, right? All right, now obviously, like I said, we want to do it on both sides, so make sure you do those on both sides. If you're doing 12 on this leg, you're doing 12 on this leg. We want both sides to react the same way. Remember, this is both our sides of our abs tearing away from the linea alba. All right, back into position. Now we're going to do what's called a heel slide. So a heel slide, you're going to gently have your heel towards the ground, and we're going to slowly slide out, keeping the core activated again. Like I said, that's our first priority. As soon as we get into this position, as when you saw me put my hands on my hips here, that was me reactivating the core before I even started this movement. Okay, so very, very important. Always reactivate the deep core muscles, not pushing out or gently sinking inward, keeping a nice, steady set base with our core, keeping everything tight. Just want to remind everybody, keep it tight. And we're going to slowly slide our heel outward, and we're going to keep sliding. Now, right now, I start feeling my back arching. That's where we're going to stop the slide, okay? We don't want to slide no more, because then we're going to lose all the activation we're having in our core. So it's mainly about the core here. It has nothing to do with our back or our leg. This is all core muscle activation exercises to bring the linea alba back, or the muscles back to the linea alba. So when we get to where our back is arching, then we're going to slowly make our way back in. Well, those are the four main ones we're going to go over today. Very basic, very beginning, and that's where we need to start if we're in those early stages of our diastasis recti. Okay, I want to make sure that we start the repair early and that we stay on these. Do these every day if you can, and we want to get that. We want to make it a habit to where when we're walking around or sitting around throughout the day, we're automatically, slowly, gently drawing our deep core muscles inward. When we're sitting around, we still need to use our abs. When we're sitting on the couch, we still need to use our abs. So let's use them the correct way. Let's repair this muscle so we can get back in the gym and kill these workouts like we want to, so we can lose the weight that we want to, and get our body looking the way before we had the baby. I mean, that's what every mom wants. That's what I'm hearing when they come in here anyways. So let's start working on it now. If you have any questions, or you're in the area and need some help on this diastasis recti, don't be afraid to contact me, please. Number's 239-470-0338, or you can contact the website at pptcfitness.com. You can find me anywhere, any social network. Just contact me. I can help you. I can bring you in the gym. And I actually just wrote a blog on this, and I told everybody on the blog that if you read the blog and you're watching the video and you really like what I'm saying right now and you want to come see what this place is about, I'll even give you your first session for free. So come on in, try it out. You got nothing to lose. And I just love to help you out. That's why I'm bringing these videos to you. So I hope everybody understood what was going on here with the diastasis recti. I know a lot of females need this right now. So comment if you need any more exercises going forward. Let me know how these worked out for you, if you can find that deep core muscle activation, and if you can't, let me know as well so I can help you. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. My name is Ronnie Petito with Petito's Performance Training Center. Until next time.